Gayatri, and our teammates are Harish and Saiteja. Our title is about health monitoring system using IoT. This is the agenda of our topics we have chosen. This is the abstract. There are a number of scopes for IoT in order to make a difference in lives of patient. This device can capture as well as monitor related data regarding patient and allows the providers to obtain insight without bringing the patient visiting. The procedure can assist the patient result as well as preventing the possible communication for the process that involves risk. However, lack of electronic health records system integration is one of the major issues faced while using IoT in healthcare. Some of the EHR systems allows the patient important data into the record. However, it maintains limited to a few nominated dominant where the EHR players as well as leaves providers unspecific of the processing data. Coming to main scope and object of our project is integration of useful health monitoring sensors such as DS18B20 heartbeat sensor, DHT11 sensor, and collecting patient health information and displaying using Blink IoT application. Our scope is the system can monitor and apply control actions in specific cases. The system is constructed of different sensors employed to record the required data of the proposed location in order to analyze the situation of the environmental wisely. Uh, Nowadays, healthcare technology is rapidly being with the health of IoT. Monitoring the health status of patient is a hard task because of our busy schedule and our daily work. Mostly the elderly COVID patients should be monitored periodically. So that I thought to make an innovative system. This device uses an ESP32 web sensor to track patient health using this monitoring system. In this project, we'll learn how to build an USB32 based patient health monitoring system to measure health or heart rate, pulse, blood pressure, oxygen level. We use max 30 pulse oximeter sensor. Similarly, to measure body temperature, we use DS18B20 temperature sensor. This is the literature review we have collected. Thank you.
Hello, this is Harish, and I'm coming with an design and methodology in our project. There are four modules that we use to build our project, and which is the system building, where we build the system, where we build the total, where we collect the components and build the output. And coming to the Wi-Fi connection authentication, we use the Wi-Fi connection which is used in Arduino, and we connect using the Wi-Fi which is inbuilt in that Arduino. And third module is the data reading module, and the fourth module is application integration. Application integration, where with this application integration is used in app. And this is the system building which we built, which we built. Um, Here we use different types of sensors that Arduino sensor is used in this, in this Arduino sensor there is a Wi-Fi module in it. This is the Wi-Fi authentication, which is our second module. By giving this authentication, we connect with the app and the Arduino using the Wi-Fi module, which is inbuilt in Arduino. And this is the data reading, which we show data. Which this is the data reading which shows in the app. In this data reading, it shows the heartbeat, humidity, room temperature, and body temperature. Uh, where it monitors the 24/7 of a patient. Uh, Next, coming to the fourth module, that's application integration. Which this is the output that shows in the Blink IoT app, which we use to monitor the which we use for monitoring the readings. And coming to the implementation, this is the architecture diagram of our project, where we use HTML code and Node MCU. This HTML code and the heartbeat sensor and DSP are connected to the Node MCU. and this ESP sensor is connected to Node MCU and Blink IoT. This everything is connected to Node MCU, and this Node MCU is connected with Wi-Fi to the Blink IoT app. Um, this is a data flow diagram where we connect the Wi-Fi. We connect the Wi-Fi and we get connected to the Node MCU and Arduino. If the Arduino is connected, then it go to the next step, or it will repeat. If the Wi-Fi is not connected, again it will show us to connect the Wi-Fi. And after that, it will show the data reading, which this reading it will be shown in the Blink IoT app. This is a reading which we get in the Blink IoT app, where we get humidity, room temperature, body temperature, and heartbeat. Mm. So next it will display in Blink IoT. In the power connection, we will check if the power connection is not properly done, then it will go to the reading, and then it will be stopped. This is the data flow diagram, and this is a sequence diagram of our project where Blink IoT sensor, Node MCU, and Wi-Fi. Node MCU is connected to Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi is connected to Node MCU. Then request the data with the sensors, and the data is sent to the Node MCU, and then it is sent to the Wi-Fi, and it will be sent to display. This is a use case diagram of our project where the user is connected Wi-Fi, and this is the connections. This is and coming to a testing. This is a unit testing. We'll describe about the individual functionality of each component. Where if suppose there is a humidity sensor and body temperature, it will show the in unit testing. It will show the humidity sensor and body temperature, humidity and body temperature. And integration testing. Coming to integration testing. This is a system set testing which will get output in a Blink IoT app. This is the input that we have given to get the readings in the Blink IoT app. And this is the output, the final output that we made with which we built. This is the output, this which we get in the Blink IoT app. This is the reading that we get in the Blink IoT app. And coming to a conclusion, we use this health monitoring system to help the old people with which those who can't come to hospital every time. It will help the people to monitor by being in their own place. This we can monitor them by we can monitor them 24/7, which helps us to get the reading, and we can take up we if the patient is in serious condition, we can take the action immediately. So this we came out with this solution to we face nowadays. We face many cases like COVID cases which we cannot go to hospital and we cannot monitor our readings. So we came up with a solution this using this Blink IoT app. This is a plagiarism report. Thank you.
Hello sir, this is Sai Teja, and this is our project health monitoring system using IoT. This is a Node MCU. In this inbuilt Wi-Fi module is there. We have to once this is the heartbeat sensor, and this is the humidity sensor, and this is the body temperature sensor. We have to connect this one through the USB cable to laptop. Then we will get a power supply to this. Now through this we can get the room temperature, and through this we can get the heartbeat of ours, and through this we can get the body temperature of ours. I will show the output in one form. Through this Blink IoT app we can connect to the Node MCU. You can see the readings of humidity, room temperature, and body temperature, and heartbeat. For example, here see the heartbeat is changing. You can check like this, and Then we are going to temperature sensor. If we place like this, then the body temperature will be changing. Humidity and room temperature is this one. Actually, this Blink IoT app and this Node MCU is connected through an API token, which will be there in the programming. I will show you the programming. This is the programming of this one. First, this is the password, Wi-Fi password, and this is the Wi-Fi ID. This is the API token. We have to connect through this programming to the Node MCU and Blink IoT app. Like this, our project is done. Thank you, sir.